Hey guys, my name is Siyabonga Kaba. I'm a production technician here at OptimusBio. We are so excited to be launching this amazing water-saving automotive cleaner and protectant called SMARTWASH. In preparation, firstly, open the left-hand side cap of the SMARTWASH concentrate bottle. Then squeeze the bottle to fill the measuring chamber to 10 ml. Next, remove the blue trigger cap from the 750 ml spray bottle. Pour the 10 ml of SMARTWASH concentrate in the 750 ml spray bottle. Fill the bottle with water up to the 750 ml mark. Then close and shake the bottle to mix contents. To use the product effectively, you need to clean the car one panel at a time. First, spray the SMARTWASH to evenly cover a single panel of the car. Secondly, rinse the first microfiber cloth and wring out excess water. Then wipe the car panel in a one-directional motion. The third step, use a second dry microfiber cloth to wipe dry the panel. Repeat these 3 steps until the whole car body is clean. The same procedure is used to clean the car windows, lights and rim. SMARTWASH will be sold mainly as a kit, which includes a 5-liter bucket, a spray bottle, 2 microfiber cloths, and the SMARTWASH concentrate product, which comes in a 200 ml twin bottle. But customers will also be able to buy just the concentrate product alone, as well as 5-liter and 25-liter drums.